gonna come take a seat, bro? Keep you company? Oh, you're gonna get your hair cut? Okay. Lucky for some. I'm still filming, so I can't get my hair cut for 3 weeks, bro.
I know, I've never actually seen it on the back and side.
I bet you never see me without a beard, right? I know, innit? Man,
Because you don't really get that much variety.
that's the whole reason why I started to do this. So I was a manager for Burger King for 2 years, and then I decided to work for myself.
Oh, that's good.
With
I like that.
With COVID, you can either complain about it or do something about
you do something about it.
Not these
I
people.
like that. Yeah.
Not these people who just sit down and moan all day.
Yeah. Yeah.
I guess you know what.
Oh gosh, and it's always nice when you do something for yourself, isn't it? Yeah.
100%.
Well, I'm so excited about it. I'm sure my kids will be happy as well.
How many kids you got?
2. Yeah, I've got a 12-year-old and a 6-year-old. Yeah.
I'm doing you. So I've done you
Oh, thank
the
you
chicken
so
one.
much. Yeah.
I'm doing you star fries, basically like dirty fries.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
like loaded fries.
And cheese, yeah, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, it's one of our best sellers.
Oh, great. Lovely. And I've got content as well. Thank you.
Oh, lovely. Alright. I feel like a movie star already.
Yeah. Do you want to get out concert?
Wait.
Okay.
That's great.
Oh gosh, I'm just gonna rush get some petrol because it's really horrible.
It's a nightmare at the moment.
Yeah.
Get some petrol where?
Yeah.
I've been to 2 filling stations and they're all shut. M&S, yeah. So.
Crazy, yeah. Any M&S and BP.
Yeah.
Avoid BP because they're
Really?
stuck in deliveries to the UK.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh goodness.
About it, so.
Oh. Oh gosh. Yeah. Oh no. Yeah, it's here.
It's not ready yet, bro.
Have chicken, green, red, and yellow peppers and onions in here. be used in wraps.
Banana cream.
Oh gosh. Oh no, sorry, vegetables.
Why are they so together? And this is overcooked. Now we're going to let the other. Now we're going to let the other side cook. What about the bowl? It's only 12 calories fine. I got 12 calories. 49 and 3 stacks. Building, don't play with fun.
She loves it.